We're up $117, baby. Let's go. Bitcoin's pumping to 50K. Let's go. Let's ride this bad boy to the top. Tip top, tip to top. I didn't even post a TikTok video. Madness, I tell you. Madness. Setting up my tickety tockety. Pretty sure everybody can hear that E-I-E-I-O back there. That's funny. Okay, let's do the live. All right, guys. Appreciate it. Sack Nasty in the house. What's going on? Can you hear me, Sack Nasty? Good morning, good morning, good morning, man. Good to see you. I jumped into a Bitcoin long. I just sent a Hail Mary, said, screw it. Bitcoin's pumping. It's going to 50K. I'm throwing in my long before I lose my opportunity. I got in right at this candle right here. I got right in a little bit higher than that, actually. Entry price was $45,106. So it was right around here that I entered the trade. And let's go. I'm up $132. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. I'll bring that up closer. Up $142, up 14%. Let's go. This thing's pumping. We're going to 45K, and I'm going to be 45K. We're at 45K. We're going to 50K, and here is my TA. Let me actually show this to you guys. Let me bring this on over here. So jump on out to the daily, and it's really pretty simple. As you can see here, we broke all levels. We bounced off the previous. We were just breaking all daily trading levels. And value area high for Bitcoin in January was 45,545. So that's where I put my take profit at. I think we're gonna run and pump all the way to this level. If we don't, then I'm gonna just enjoy the ride, right? I'm just going to enjoy the ride on the way up there. Sack Nasty says, pump it up, guys. Everybody jumping over here on the TikTok. What's going on, Ivan? Been a minute, man. I'm glad to see you again. Hope to see that everything's going good for you and that your portfolio continues to grow. I am live on the YouTubes as well. So make sure if you want to go see over there, go watch over there. It's Blockchain Crusader. I'm live on a trade right now, up almost 11%. I'm up $110 on my Bitcoin long. It's coming down a little bit right now, but I'm honestly not worried about it. I didn't even put a stop loss in this thing. This is what not to do in a trade, right? I'm just throwing a Hail Mary. Let's go see how far I can take this thing. But to be honest, my take profit is at 45,500 and some change. So if we go back up there, which I definitely believe we can, which is the value area high for January, if we break that, then we're gonna be making some new levels here. It's gonna be 46,300 is gonna be the next target. After that is between 46,300 and 46,600, and then above that is the 47,000 range. And you already know we start breaking those levels. 50K is coming, baby. 50K. So I'm up 125%, $125, 117. It's fluctuating right now. I'm just enjoying it. STX, what's going on? I see you on the guys. Smash those likes, tap that screen. Let's get some likes in here. It's free. It's free over here on the YouTubes as well. So make sure you hit that like, hit that subscribe if you haven't already. And if you haven't checked out my latest video on my prediction for crypto.com, aka Kronos, go check it out. Greatly appreciate it. Ivan, like to the like. Thank you, man. Thank you so much for liking the like. Liking the live, not the like. You can't like the like. But yeah, just jumping in here. No, I do not know who you are. I'm not gonna go live with you. Dude, today might be the day, right? Or this week might be the week where we just see Bitcoin send it to 50K finally. And I'm just going to enjoy it. My position is worth $23,694. We're either making it to the moon or I'm getting liquidated. There is no stop loss. This is not what you should be doing in a trade. This is not what I normally do in a trade. But I threw a Hail Mary in there. I think Bitcoin's going to go up and go shoot towards that 50K. So I said, why not? Let me ride this bad boy to the top. I don't want to miss that ride. But, you know, I could get liquidated, guys. I could get liquidated and have my face on the liquidation calendar. Right, that's my liquidation face. So you just never know. Anything is possible. Bitcoin's pumping back up again, up 15% right now, $152. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go, baby. like I said, this is not what you want to be doing in a trade. This is like absolutely not what you want to be doing at all in a trade. When you're trading, just this is not what you want to be doing because it's a lot of risk, not a lot of risk management. Let me tell you, a lot of risk and not a lot of risk management. Duty says, I've got 18K render. Do you think I can hit six figures? I got the dollar. You're saying you're gonna make 18,000 and you put 18,000 into render? Please elaborate a little bit. I'm trying to understand. It's pumping, baby. We're up 16, 17%, 175, baby. Let's go. Let's go. This thing is pumping. Come on. Move, Bitcoin. Come on. Go up, baby. Come on. Hit that 45,500, baby, so I can take some profits. Come on. Come on. We're going to hit 45.5. Are we going to hit 45.5 live here on the show? Come on. Come on. All these weird people that I don't even know are trying to go live with me, man. I don't even understand. I appreciate every single one of you guys watching on TikTok, every single one of you watching on YouTube as well. We are live here. Let's look at some TA here. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing. Up $170, baby, up 17%. This thing is fluctuating. It wants to make a move. It wants to run. It wants to pump. It wants to pump. Bitcoin wants to bring us to Pump City. Here we are, baby. We're running. We're running for that previous day. Oh, no, turned off my value area range. What is this other thing? Let me turn this off. We're running for this bad boy right here, man. We're running for it. Come on. Where are we at? Where are we at? Where are we at? About right there. Come on, baby. Come on. Hit that 45.5. Come on. Come on. Hit that 45.5, bad boy. Come on. If you do, my take profit is going to trigger, and we're going to enjoy those gains, baby. We're going to enjoy those gains. Come on. Keep pumping for me. Come on. Let me know in the chat. Should I jump out of my trade right now? Should I just jump out of my trade, take $162 and run with it? Or should I just keep it going? Should I keep going for 45.5? 45.5 is my take profit. Should I keep running? We're about $100 and something away from it. Or should I just take my money now and run? What do you guys think? Is Bitcoin going to keep pumping? Let me know in the chat right now. Sack Nancy says, only SSS holders should be able to go live with you. Dude, bro, you're an OG, my man. You're an OG SS holder, man, for life. Let me talk. I'm telling you, SSS holders, man, that was a great NFT project. The first one I ever made. It took off in a way that I never expected it to. And man, I want to do something for you guys. I want to do something very special for you guys because I always think about all my SSS holders out there. I mean, this market is turning around, and when this market starts to fully turn around, the NFT market starts to pop back off, I might be able to do something a little special for you guys. Oh no, Bitcoin starting to turn back around, dropping a little bit here in the 1 minute. See, we got a red candle coming back down. Gonna retest this level here of 45,353. But if we can pump off these levels, then that we should be good here. Hopefully we don't fully peak out. Let me look on the 1 minute here on my actual chart. See what the oscillators are telling me. What are the chart prime oscillators telling me here? Let me see. Hold to 50K. Sack Nasty says, hold to 50K, baby. Hold to 50K. We still have room to run. Let me see. What's the open interest looking like? Let me zoom this in here. Open interest is still climbing, still slowly climbing. So, it is looking pretty good, I guess, on the 1 minute. Let's see here. Come on, baby. Come on. Reverse that bad boy. Come on. Come on. Pump for me, baby. Pump for me. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Sack Nasty, dude, it's so good to see you, man. It's so good to see OGs coming back into the live stream. I greatly appreciate it. We're up 15.9%, 16. Oh, let's go, baby. Let's go. We're pumping, baby. We're pumping. Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's go. Anybody right now that's telling me that Bitcoin is overrated, Bitcoin's not the way, let me tell you, my friends, I understand that you're not going to get rich overnight on Bitcoin. But let me tell you a little something. Long-term play, long-term hold, Bitcoin is the way. Bitcoin is, in my opinion, really underrated in the long scheme of things because of the amount of institutional money that's coming in, the amount of supply shock that we're about to experience with the Bitcoin halving coming in here in less than 60 days or something like that. So I honestly do believe that we are going to experience a bull market like we've never experienced before. and that is going to be massive, right? And not just that, but if you dollar cost average into Bitcoin for the long term, right? For, let's say, as a retirement account, as a 401k, right? Which is how I treat it. I treat Bitcoin like my 401k. This thing has outperformed absolutely everything in the past, right? In the last 10 years, it's been outperforming absolutely everything. So with that being said, it's outperforming your 401k, it's outperforming your pension, it's outperforming whatever. So you just dollar cost average for the next 10, 15, 20 years. If you invest $2,000 every single year, which is just about $160, give or take $166 a month, into your 401k, into your traditional finance system, people can retire with over $1 million with an average of with averaging 8 to 10% on the year, right, in your investment. Bitcoin does way higher averages than that throughout the years. So if you're dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin for retirement, right, as your 401k, you're going to greatly outperform any other asset class out there, any other pension type deal. So with that being said, I'm telling you, Bitcoin is underrated. People keep saying that it's overrated, that it sucks, that it's slow. Web 5 is being built on Bitcoin. Let's see, baby. Are we going to get a bounce here? Are we going to get a bounce here? I think we're going to get a bounce, boys. I think we're going to get a bounce on this purple VWAP line here. Come on. Pump for me, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We're going. We're going. We're going. We're coming back, baby. We're coming back. Come on. I don't know, man. I think I might take profits. I think I might take profits here. I'm getting kind of shaky. We got a big bearish engulfing candle here. I don't know, man. I don't know. 3 minute. Oh, 3 minutes oversold, overbought. I mean, getting a reversal here. 5 minute. Not looking too good either. Big engulfing overbought, overbought. 15 minute. Not looking too good. I think I'm gonna take profits, boys. I think I'm gonna take profits. I think I'm gonna mark it out of this thing. I think I'm gonna take profits here. Let's see. Where we at? We're at 45, 350, 351, $128 right now. If I take that trade, $141. All right. I'm taking it. Come on. It's partially filled. Come on, man. Get me out of my trade. Come on. Where we at right now? Oh, we're below. It only partially took me out. I only took out $42 of profit. Well, $42 of profit is not bad, let me tell you. All right, we're coming out. We're coming out of my trade. Partially filled, almost out. $117 out, baby. Let's go, baby. Been live for what? 20 minutes, made $120. Let's freaking go. If we get a good pullback here, I am sending it back. Let's go, baby. I needed that $120, let me tell you. I got chopped up the other day trading some Dogecoin, and I lost like $100 something. So it wasn't the 160, right? Like we saw earlier. But man, Bitcoin's turning back around now. Let me tell you, Bitcoin's turning back around now. It's like it knew. It was like, I'm out. So it's like, we're going to pump it now. Now we're going to send it to 45. Now we're going to send it to 50. That's what happened there. They knew it. They knew that I got out, and they sent it. But no, on the 5 minute, definitely getting overbought. All right, we're probably going to be coming down here. Probably going to have a little bit of a move down, kind of how we did back here. Just kind of consolidate a little bit. We're definitely extended beyond this thing. 3 minute as well is really overbought. All right, am I going to get a good entry point like I did with 45-100? Probably not, but I can definitely regain a better entry point here pretty soon. And look at that bad boy dropping. So glad I jumped out of my long, baby. So glad I'm going out and buying some steaks. Let me tell you, just made $120. Get the wife ready. We're buying steaks. Just kidding, guys. You can't buy steaks with $120. Not in this world. Not in this level of economy. So SDIX says, nice. Thank you, man. I greatly appreciate it. Jumped out of that trade. We're coming back right now. Look at that thing just dropping like a brick, right? We might be getting a reversal here in open interest as well. So I'm glad that I jumped out of my trade. I didn't jump out at the very top, right? You can't time these things. These things are very difficult to time, getting the very tippity-toppity things. But I started to see that things were slowing down. Things were starting to turn around. Things weren't looking too good. Very bearish engulfing candle here on the 5 minute. All right, same thing on the 3 minute. 15-minute also not a bearish engulfing candle, but kind of looking like a swing failure pattern here at 45,342. So I'm happy. I'm happy with my $129. Let's go. And if we get a better entry, right, we're overbought here on the 15-minute as well. Just a lot of overbought signals. But you know, Bitcoin is Bitcoin. It can stay very irrational for a very long time. It can just pump right now and just say, hey, screw the indicators. We're sending it, right? It can definitely happen because that's just how Bitcoin is. Bitcoin's the price of cryptos, especially Bitcoin, can stay very irrational for a very, very long time. So with that being said, it can blast past your indicators, whatever your indicators are telling you, no matter how overbought they are or whatever, it can still keep pumping. It's done that a million times before and it'll keep doing it. But, you know, you got to do what you got to do. I jumped in here with no stop loss, got a huge run up in literally less than 20 minutes, huge move. Got to take my profits. I wish it was higher. I wish we would have hit that 45,500 before this little pullback, but it just is what it is. The pullback was coming. I saw it, and I gotta trust the TA. I gotta trust the TA. I gotta trust what I see on here. All right, we're pulling back right now. If we come back as low as 45,063, if we come as low as that, right, or even as low as of about, let me see, what's this level right here, 45,109, I'll be jumping back into my long. I don't think we're gonna come as that low, right? But anything's possible. Things are overbought. We're coming back up right now. Look, it's sending it right now. It's coming back right now. Right now, it's coming back up on the 5-minute. You see what I mean? It's at this point, which coin? I'm talking about Bitcoin. I'm doing TA on Bitcoin. If you want to watch the full screen, you got to jump on over to YouTube, Blockchain Crusader on YouTube. Look at the ETF chart. Says exchange shorts getting fed. Effed up. Negative funding rate too. Look at ETF charts. Yeah, I gotta go take a look at that. Yeah, Bitcoin's coming back up. I like I said, 50K. If we break that 45,500, it's the January value area high. As you guys can see here, if I jump out into the macro level, right? If I jump out to the daily here on my chart, you can see 45,500 and some change, almost 45,600 is the value area high for the month of January. We break that, right? We've already broken market structure here. We were going down, down, down. We've had a massive reversal ever since that big dip down to 38. We've been doing nothing but climbing, and we're climbing right now. So if we break that 45,500 and some change and we stay above it, right? It's important. You can't just wick above it and you come back down. That doesn't do anything. That's just gonna signal a massive rejection or some kind. But if we break above that, and close above that line and hold that line of support, we're gonna make a move. We're gonna make a move for 50,000. Can we reach 50,000? Nobody knows, right? That's the name of the game. Nobody knows, but it is where we're going. That is where we're going. I think 50,000 is imminent because just the amount of range. Look at this range, you guys. Look at this range. We've been here playing this game above 40,000 since December 3rd. Since December 3rd, we've been above 40,000, and we just been ranging, massive consolidation since this day. Let me just pull a huge range here. All right. So if we pull this entire range, the value area high of that range from December 3rd to today is 44,200. We've broken above that, right? Which is very important. We've broken above that. If that holds that support, right, this 44,200, then 45 is literally nothing. 45 is a fart away. Obviously, that could be a rejection level. We can get rejected, and then we can see something like this where, let me draw here a little line here for you guys so you can see this. But we can then, mess around here and just dwindle in this area between 44 and 45. But I don't believe we're gonna dwindle in there for too long. I think we're gonna have explosive move, right? People are gonna start getting bullish, and either we're gonna have a massive rejection, which I don't foresee, right? Nobody ever does, or we have that pump, and I think the pump is more likely. This range has been very tight, very strong for the last 2.5 months. I think it's time for Bitcoin to pump it, because The grayscale ETF has been slowing down on how much Bitcoin they're selling. The other ETFs have been accumulating. The halving is coming. We already had the big drop that everybody talks about. Oops, that wasn't supposed to happen. The big drop that everybody talks about before the halving has already happened, right? If we look over here at from the very top where we were at, we were up here at 48,900. That's the top, and then we came as low as 38,500. That was a 21.25% drop for Bitcoin. That's the big drop. Those are the averages of drops for Bitcoin before the halving happens. And there it is. We've had the drop. We're having the reversal. We've been having the reversal since then. We've been doing nothing but climbing up since then. If I can draw here a little trend line here, let me get rid. Oh, no. Come on, man. Come on. Where's my trend line? Right. If we look here, right, we've been doing nothing but just climbing straight up. Obviously, this is a terrible trend line. I don't like drawing trend lines on Wix. But give or take, that's the trend line right there. We've been doing nothing but climbing. We came to this value area high of this last 2-month range, and boom, it was like an ascending wedge pattern. We broke above it, and we're making that move for 45,500. If we break above that, that is gonna go bananas. But guys, I've talked about Bitcoin long enough. Let me know in the chat altcoins. What altcoins do you want me to cover? I'll hit some altcoins. I'll do some TA on some altcoins for you. Let me actually look at the markets. Let's see how the markets are reacting to no, not that. Coin market cap. Come on. Where you at, big boy? Okay. 45,000. Ethereum was at 2,453. Hasn't really had too much of a move, about 3.5% today. That's another one that's winding up, getting ready to explode. Solana's at $104, up 8% today. Let's go. Cardano up 10%, 10.4% today, baby, off 53 cents. Let's go, baby. Let's go, Cardano. All my ADA gang out there, shout out to you. Avalanche up at $36, up 4.6% today. Guys, I'm going to be dropping a video on Crypto Wars on my Crypto Wars channel that I run with Crypto Keeper. Avalanche is going to surpass Solana. That's the premise of the video. Avalanche surpassing Solana. So make sure you stay out. I will update you guys when that video is out. But I 100% believe that Avalanche will surpass Solana, and it's not just because of the outage. I think there's a lot of things happening in Avalanche that are completely underrated right now. I know Solana's got some big updates, the Fire Dancer update coming out, but Avalanche is subnet technology, and what the community and the culture, the crypto culture, fantastico, bravo. It is the greatest. Out there right now. Avalanche NFTs are popping off. They're going to be even bigger in the bull market. And they're meme coins, dude. Cock Inu and Kimbo are the meme coins of this next run. I think that my hot take on them is everybody wants to get into another Shiba. I think the next Shiba is Kimbo or Cock Inu. Those two are going to make people into millionaires. Cock Inu is at 100 million market cap right now, and Kimbo is around like 8 or 7 million market cap, and that thing has run up as high as 30 million, and I believe we can do that again especially as the bull market, the market is running, right? The market gets exciting, people start FOMOing. Kimbo and Cock Inu, shout out. Those are, I'm not being paid by them. There's not paid sponsors or nothing like that. I only hold a bag of Kimbo. I don't hold a bag of Cock Inu anymore. I took some profits on that, and I'll probably be buying back in here shortly. Just waiting for a decent price level. But Kaspa up 14.46% today, baby. Shout out to all the Kaspa holders out there. Congratulations. That thing was like a stable coin, but I knew it. I knew Kaspa was going to come back. Kaspa mining is another thing that's extremely bullish right now. I mean, Kaspa miners are, they're printing money. Stacks, a layer 2 for Bitcoin, up 16.5% today. Let's go. Let me see what some of the bigger gainers today is. Biggest gainers for today, BitTorrent, 29%. Come on. Dimension 18%. Never heard of that. Stacks up 16%. Caspa 14%. Celestia up 14%. Ordi, a BRC20 token on Bitcoin's ecosystem, up 12.5% today. Let's freaking go. SEI up 10.5%. Cardano up 10.5%. Beam up 10.5%. And Solana up 8.5%. Near up 8.4. But yeah, guys, drop it in. RA sector got me bags of Rio and Prop C. Yes, Joe. Joe here is dropping the alpha. Is dropping the alpha right now. RA, real world asset sector, massive underrated sector in crypto, along with decentralized science. Which shout out to that investor and shout out to Joshua Jake for putting me on that. Which is decentralized science. That and RWA is going to be huge. Rio, somebody told me about Rio a few months ago. Huge proposition there. I think it's got a very good. And Prop C is another one that I'm giving a close eye on. I'm going to be dropping some content on those cryptos here relatively soon because I think they're gonna perform very, very well. Joe, thank you for the follow, man. But thank you for dropping the alpha and reminding me, because I can't remember everything that's happening. There's so many things happening in the crypto space every day, all day, that it's hard to keep up with absolutely everything. And sometimes I'm just, a lot of times I'm just going off the cuff here, and it's hard to remember where was it? Where did I actually jump out of my trade? Does it tell me? Does it tell me where I jumped out of my trade? It does not, but I'm still waiting for that pullback, baby. I'm still waiting for that pullback. 45,238 was not bad. Let me see. Where is that? Yep. Up 13.5%, up $128 in 28 minutes. Dude, let's go. Let's freaking go. I needed that boost because I've been killing it on my trades. I've been profitable as heck out here, right? Obviously, you see some losses here, but that's part of the game. You have to take some losses. But as you guys can see, I've been extremely profitable. I have more trades than this. I guess this doesn't hold all of my history because I've been trading since before the 19th of January. So I guess it's only got a limited amount of history that I can go back in. But yeah, I got chopped up earlier in the week, or last week I got chopped up on Dogecoin. And man, that thing had me going. But I came back, baby. I came back with $128. That's what I'm freaking talking about. Making that money. All right, Bitcoin. Where you at, Bitcoin? Where you at? Let's see. Let's jump down to the 3 minute here. What's going on, guys? Smash those likes, tap that screen. Let's get 1,000 likes in here. I'm talking about TikTok. You guys over here on YouTube, greatly appreciate every single one of you. I hope you guys are smashing that subscribe. This is just an impromptu live. I'm just trading live, so I just jumped in here and I said, why not? Let's go live. I'm in a live trade, and it worked out, so I'm happy. Right now, in the 3 minute, Bitcoin's facing some resistance. That's 45,406. If we break above that, we're probably going to keep running. But if we get rejected here again, we're probably coming down a little bit more. But we actually came down to 42,250, and it looks like that was enough room for Bitcoin to cool off and start making another run. And it's doing exactly, this is a 3 minute. It's doing exactly that. It's trying to make another run right now. It's trying to make another run right now for that 45,500. Let me tell you. Cody joining the live, like the live. Thank you so much. SM, like the live. Thank you. Share it out with your friends. Hit that subscribe. Hit that like. Make sure you hit that follow button. If you're not following me already, been dropping content every single day here. Just recently dropped my, what did I put on TikTok today? I put out my price prediction for Chronos. If you want the most updated content, obviously you got to check out my YouTube. My YouTube gets all the content first. Then I pass it on over to the Tickety Talkities. All right, Bitcoin's making the move. Bitcoin's fighting. It's fighting for the come on, Bitcoin's like, I can't do it, man. I can't. And it's like, no, it seems like it's getting rejected right now. It's coming back down. But we'll see. We'll see how this 1 minute candle closes. Oh, it's pumping. It's trying to fight that 45, dude. That 45,412 price point right now is tough. 45,416. It is a tough level. It can't get past it. The local high that we're at right now. That was the tippity toppity from my trade that I didn't jump out of. At. So we're coming towards that point right now. Guys, I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys joining into the live. If you could and greatly want to see the full screen, want to see the actual chart, want to see the stuff, jump on over to my YouTube, Blockchain Crusader on YouTube. I'm live there right now, and you will see the full screen. You won't just be hearing the commentary. You will actually be getting. So it looks like we're getting kind of rejected here. That 45,416 was just too tough of a local high to stay above. But we still got time. I'm looking at a 1 minute candle right now. We still got time. That doesn't mean anything. We can still drop a little bit lower here, retest as low as 45,370, give or take, and bounce from there. I mean, we came all the way down to 45,250, and we're coming down now. We're melting through 45,300. We're right to that level that I just said, 45,300. We're dropping, but this is just local highs. It's consolidating here. The Bitcoin's been having a massive run up today, as you can see. Since the beginning of the day, it's just been blasting off. Let me tell you, it's just been blasting off. And as you guys can see here, run up, pull back. Right? It's had let me measure these little pullbacks. It's had a run up. It pulls back about 1%. Right? 0.7. Another run up. Let me see. Where's my measuring? Another run up, another pullback, about 0.5%. Another run up here to the local high that we're at, down to the local up, 0.36% pullback. So it's about that range, and then it keeps pumping. So it pumps, it pulls back about 0.5%, give or take, and now it's going back up again. So it's fighting, it's going, it's breaking those levels. 45.4, it's breaking 45.4. Let's go, baby, let's go. We're going for that 45.5. We're going. Let's go, Bitcoin. Let's go. Come on, baby, pump. I wish I was still in my long, but I'm not. But I don't care. I'm going to enjoy this pump with you guys. I'm going to enjoy this pump. Jesse says Sologenic. Yeah, that's for Solana. Definitely some good stuff is coming out for Solana. Let me tell you. But I still believe. I think Avalanche is going to overtake Solana. Hot take, controversial. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Do you think, or in the chat, let me know in the chat, do you think Avalanche can overtake Solana? Yes or no? Give me your thoughts on the NFT market, Solana versus Avalanche. Give me your thoughts on the DeFi, Solana versus Avalanche. Give me your thoughts overall. I think yes. Let me know. Convince me that I'm wrong. Tell me why I'm wrong in the chat. Tell me why Solana is going to continue outperforming Avalanche. I don't think so, but that's just me, right? That is just little old me. But I want to hear from you guys on the live right now. What are you guys? Oh, look. Let's look at some NFTs here. Look at some NFTs. Steady NFTs. I want to pick one of these bad boys up, dude. These things look so funny, bro. I'm loving the vibe here on the Steady Avalanche NFT community. Shout out to all the Steady holders out there. If you're watching, let your Steadies, your other Steady friends, let them know. I'm talking about you. But yeah, Solana NFT. I mean, Avalanche NFTs, not Solana NFTs. Avalanche NFTs have got it going on. Let's see what's happening in the market right now. Let's see, not the market, but the news. Bitcoin exceeds 45,000. Will the rise continue? Experienced analysts evaluate. Yeah, crypto dollar minting protocol will allow institutions to issue stablecoins backed by U.S. treasuries. Interesante. Max Kaiser takes big dig at Cardano founder and receives payback. Buy signal for 2 oversold cryptocurrencies. Data shows 23% of Cardano holders have not sold a single ADA in 5 years. I am one of those people. I am one of those 23%. I have not sold a single ADA in the last 5 years, unless I was buying an NFT. But I don't count that as sell. I count that as a swap. Cardano Bitcoin exceeds 45,000. Everybody's talking about that. Ethereum developers target March 13th for a milestone. The Decon upgrade on mainnet, which is good stuff for the fees. Let me tell you. Let's see. Nothing else. Nothing major happening in the news. Let me tell you, news has been extremely boring lately. VeChain and Boston Consulting Group, a powerhouse partnership beyond paper. Cardano adds $2 billion in 24 hours amid 62% volume surge. They add $2 billion in what market cap? I doubt that. What is these 2 billion in? Polygon whales accumulate 32 mil Matic amid Gemini listing. Price to hit $1. Of course, Polygon is gonna hit $1. Bitcoin's pumping, baby. Let me look back at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's back at 45,437. It's going, baby. It's going. I should have stayed in my long. Boys. But I paper handed. I was the paper hand. I jumped out. I took profits like a little beep. Right. But that happens, guys. That happens. It's okay. It could have reversed right there and I could have lost it all. But you know what? Taking profits is not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing. And I've had to learn that the hard way. It's extremely hard to be happy with the profits. I still, like I've said, I still believe, even though when I took profits, 45,550K is imminent. If I can get a pullback, a decent pullback, and get a better entry point, I'll be jumping in again. Let me tell you, I will be jumping. Hey, Wilford, what's going on? In Rich Fibs, thank you for the follow. Greatly appreciate it. SM, smashing those likes on the live. Thank you. Chain Custodian joined the live. What's going on, man? Let's get to 1,000 likes. Smash that like, right? Just tap that screen. It's free. The algorithm likes it. It helps me out, and it pushes more people in here. So greatly appreciate it. Everybody here over on YouTube, hit that like as well. Hit that subscribe if you haven't. And let me know in the chat, this one or this one. Let me know what altcoins you want me to cover, and I'll do some altcoin TA for you guys here. Right now, I'm just looking at Bitcoin, looking at what's happening in the news. No big news. Aave stablecoin reaches $1. Well, it's a stablecoin, so that's what it should be doing. Right, it should be at $1. Early XRP investors might have 5 mil from $100 investments. Well, maybe if they bought it at like a penny or something, but not the people buying right now. I can tell you that. I've had multiple discussions on that XRP situation. It's a lot of fugazi there. Here's how XRP can incorporate stablecoin features to attract adoption from banks. Why do they need to attract adoptions? They've been rolling around. Everybody knows about them by now. They've been rolling around for the last 5 years, and they're still trying to grab adoption. That's fugazi right now. Bitcoin's running. Bitcoin's trying to run. Come on. It's trying to break above 45.4, 45.6. Oh, there you go. It's going. And oh, baby, come on. It's running. Here we go. Boys. Here we go. Send it. Big D just joined. What's going on? Hiya, hooya, hula, hula. Smash those likes. Greatly appreciate every single one. B Brit, what's going on? Oh no, we're getting rejected. Back below 45.4. Oh, here we go. Oh, the rejection. This could be the pullback for me, baby. This could be the moment that I jump back in. Let's go. Go down, baby. Go down for me so I can get a better entry point. Come on. If we come back, where are my levels? I need to look at my daily. Where are my daily levels at? Oh, yeah. Definitely not going to come back to 44.2. I can tell you that. That's not going to be happening anytime soon. But let's jump out to the 15-minute. Let's turn on the daily trend lines. 44.3. Yeah, that's not going to happen. But if we come down to the VWAP at 44.8, that would be great. Or even at 45.100, that would also be a great pullback to get in. So between 45.100 and 44.8, I'm jumping in, baby. I'm going long again. Let me tell you, I'm going long. Those are my levels to go long. If I miss it, I miss it. It is what it is. But there's definitely resistance up here at this 45.400 to 45.476. That is resistance city right now. Let me tell you, resistance city. Here we go. We're still dropping. Right now. Still dropping. Okay. 45.248 is a great entry point as well. That is the little local bottom right here on this little range that we're at. So if I do this, yeah, that's literally the little bottom right here. That would be great entry point as well. Maybe not. I wouldn't say great. Let me take that back. Let me not say great. It'd just be a decent entry point if we come back, retest that level, and then bounce again. If we don't bounce from that, I'm going to be looking for maybe 45.100 which is a lot closer to my actual initial entry point for my initial long. So that would be great if we do drop all the way down there. That would be great because that means I did a great long. BB Love followed. Thank you for the follow, BB Love. Drop it in the chat. Let me know any altcoins you want me to cover. I know you guys can't see the screen here on the Tickety Talkities, but if you jump over to my YouTube live that I'm in live right now, you could see the screen. You could see the candles. You can see the TA yourself and not just get the commentary. But if you're okay with the commentary, that's fine too. Drop any altcoins that you want me to hit some TA on, give you some thoughts. Drop it in the chat. I would greatly appreciate it. Just looking at this Bitcoin dumping right now. Well, not dumping. It's down a few $100, guys. It's down. It went from 45,400 to 45,320. It's down like 120 bucks. It's not dump city. Ordinal Revolution. What's going on? What kind of ordinals you got? What kind of ordinals you got, bro? I might be wanting to buy some ordinals. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You got that ordinal money. You got the Orno money. Let me see what how are these steadies going. How are these steadies going? I'm thinking I might chop up. I might pick up this steady right here, live right now on the YouTubes. 11.7 AVAX. I like the mohawk. I like the Wolverine beard. I like the little flak jacket it's got. I'm digging the vibe, man. I'm digging the vibe. Bitcoin. Oh, Bitcoin is dropping below. It's at 44,275. Is this gonna be a bottom here at 45,247? Is that going to be a bottom, or are we going to just dump city and just crash right through it? Looks like we're building a little bit of a double top here, a little bit of a double top situation, which is not bueno. As you guys can see here, here's the first top, second top, not bueno at all. Let me tell you, not bueno. Let's jump down to the 1 minute again. We're getting a little bit of a reversal here. We're bouncing off 45,278, which is good. It's good. Let me see how many people we got. How many people we got on this live stream right now? Let me see. Guys, smash those likes. Oh, we're coming back down. You just never know what's going to happen in this Bitcoin city, let me tell you. We got 3 people watching. I greatly appreciate all 3 people watching right now on the YouTubes. Greatly appreciate it. It's trying to grow. It's, it's a struggle out here. It's a grind, but I like to have fun. I like to create content. That's why I've been doing it for the last 2.5 years. Oh yeah, looks like 45,277 was the local bottom here. Was the local bottom. Looks like we're trying to reverse right now. We're trying to reverse, baby. We're trying to bring this bad boy back up. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Where are my indicators? There's an indicator that I have that I'm missing. Where did it go? There you go. Momentum wave coming back around. Let's get it. Yep. That was the bottom. That was the little local bottom right now. Show your screen. What you trading? Well, I was trading. I'll show my screen. I'll flip my screen here real quick for you guys. Flip the screen. Here it is. And let me adjust my little tripod thing. So I was trading. I was in a long. As you can see here, I closed it $128 in profit, 13%. That was at the first half of the show. So I jumped into the trade right before I went live, and in the first 20 minutes of the show, I've been live for almost an hour now. Made $128, took profits, and there it is. Right, that was my trade. So this is what we're looking at right now. Here, as we came down off this range, right, this local top range. And we're getting a little bit of a reversal here, right here at this area, 45,280, give or take. Momentum wave coming back around. Chart prime is about to bounce over here as well. This is on the 1 minute. But, this value area low here of about 45,297 showing some support for now, but there's massive resistance up here, guys. Massive resistance right here at this 45,419. As you can see, getting past this value area high of 45,428 has been very difficult. How do you bypass KYC? Well, I use exchanges that don't require KYC. That's my trick. So right now I'm trading on Levex. Requires no KYC, requires no VPN. So that's what I'm using. If you want the link for that, I got an affiliate link for that as well. Make sure you jump into my private Telegram. Link is in my bio. Go to my bio, jump into my private Telegram, and I'll drop the link there for my affiliate for this exchange, so you guys can sign up. There's up to $5,000 in trading bonus right now, so you can take advantage of that and use some of that money to trade as well. So there it is. Let me see some NFTs. I'm telling you, man, I'm thinking about picking this NFT up right here. There's an Avalanche NFT, super bullish on Avalanche NFTs. Let me see, how's the market doing? Eesh. So we're coming back a little bit lower here, getting that red dot. Not looking too good on the 1 minute. I heard you can verify on KYC with a valid ID by getting. Yeah, a lot of people have been doing that, but I just rather not. I'd rather not mess with that kind of stuff. Especially, yeah, I just rather not. There's just a lot of gray areas that I'd rather not step into. So, if it works out for you, it works out. That's great. That's awesome. But that's just not something I want to step into right now. See, yep. Bitcoin's coming back down. Bitcoin's coming back down. All right, guys. I appreciate every single one of you guys that joined my live. I'll be going live again maybe later today or some point. This was just an impromptu live trading live session that I just jumped into, just to show you guys and just to, you know, have some hype as I was in my trade. So I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. Smash those likes, hit that subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Go watch my latest video on my Kronos Crypto.com price prediction. If you haven't seen that, it's on YouTube and on TikTok. Go check it out. Virtual X UK live. What's going on? Virtual X? Are you affiliated with VRL? Are you affiliated with VRL? Have you been watching my videos, man? Have you been watching my videos? Thanks for making on VRL. Appreciate the support for the project. Hey, man, shoot me a DM. Let's talk about it. I'm never shy away from having a conversation with a project. So shoot me a DM. I'm more than open. Yeah, I've been making content about VRL. Been holding a nice little bag. It's been working out very well. And it seems like a very bullish project. People have been saying that I've been getting paid. I haven't been getting paid this whole time. But maybe now in the future, I might be getting paid to create some VRL content. Who knows, right? Either way, I'm bullish. Let me know. I'll be expecting a DM from you guys if you guys want to collaborate. Thank you for the follow. But yeah, guys, until next time, see ya.